Hi guys, and welcome back to the channel. In today's video, we're going to be continuing from Sunday's video. If you haven't already watched that, head over to the channel, watch that video first, and come back and join us after. Hope you enjoy this video.
I'm going to start by doing a little recap of Sunday's video, where we strip off the old roof, we re-batten, and then we also work on putting the battens on the pitched roof, which we also done a few videos back. For anyone that's new here, my name is Natasha and my husband's name is Rhys. We have a year ago now, we bought a 1930s bungalow and we've been doing the refurb ourselves. The main reason we wanted to do this was to save as much money as possible, as the plan is to flip this property and to buy another one. When we first bought the property, we had no plans to replace the roof at all, but as soon as we built the extension and Rhys was connecting into the new roof, Rhys could see that the existing felt and batten was gone and that it needed to be replaced. So the first thing we did was we went online and asked for some help for anybody in the area that knew any roofers that would do a tidy job of the roof. So we had 3 come out and look at the house and give us a quote, but unfortunately they took weeks and weeks and weeks to come back. We were estimating that it was going to cost around £10,000, but unfortunately when we had the first quote back, it came in at £23,000. The second quote that came back came in at £13,000, and then the final quote that we had came in at £9,000. The only problem that we had is because we had the first 2 quotes back and they were more than we were thinking. Rhys had already done a bill of materials to see how much that would cost, and the materials were coming in at £3,000. So we decided that we would just do the roof ourselves. So we ordered the materials, and then the next day after ordering the materials, the company that came in at £9,000 actually then sent their quote for £9,000. So I think if we had waited a bit longer, we might have actually just paid the £9,000, as they probably would have done a quicker job than us. Now that we have started taking the roof off, I'm actually really glad that we decided to do it. It's not been as hard as I kind of thought it was going to be, and Rhys has all the skills, all the tools to do the job correctly, so I'm really happy with how it's going. Another good thing is that if we were to have the roof done, as replacing the roof wasn't budgeted for when we bought this property, we don't think our £70,000 budget would have covered, including doing the full refurb, a new extension and replacing the roof. So far on the build, we are approximately £40,000 in, and this is including building our garden office. If anybody here that does watch our videos does have a kind of idea of how much you think refurbing this property would have cost us, including building the extension, building the garden office, it would be really interesting to find out when we finally finish how much it actually would have cost if we'd got the builders in. As Rhys wasn't feeling very well this day, I'm helping a lot more than I usually would. So I'm trying to load up the tiles, put the tiles on the roof, pin them in, just so I can try and help Rhys get it done. As Rhys was trying to concentrate on beating the lead and heating the lead so that it would fit on the dry valleys. It has to go under the one dry valley and over the other valley, I believe. And this is his first time working with lead. So he borrowed a lead beater off his dad and my heat gun that I use to pour resin. As well as posting on YouTube's ourselves, we also spend a lot of our time watching YouTube, as we think it's a really good tool for education, and this is what Rhys is doing here. He's learning about the best way to heat the lead for it to work with the roof. If you guys are enjoying this content, if you could like the video, give us a comment and subscribe, we would really appreciate it, as it will help grow the channel. I'm going to stop talking now and let you guys just watch the video. I hope you enjoy.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 yo, go, go, go. Hustle hard, hustle every single day. I'll be making moves till I'm buried in my grave. To the system, I don't wanna be a slave. I've been doing shit my way.
Right guys, we're on our 5th course of tiles, or 5th row of tiles. We've just loaded out to load down the side, and I know lots of roofers will be saying, you should load out stacks everywhere, but it's just me and the wife. We're doing the easiest thing we can for now, just taking up some at a time, laying some at a time. But yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment. We do have a few cracked tiles, which you can see, like here the corners are chipped off, so we're going to use them all on the lower rows around the flat roof, just so no one can see them rather than waste them. But yeah, trying to just sift through. The only thing I notice with these tiles is some gaps are really tight, like so, and then other gaps you cannot for the love of life get them tight. It's like a 3-4 mil gap instead of like a 1 mil gap. But once you're down on the ground, I don't think you're ever going to see it, but I think it's looking tidy. What do you guys think? Do you think the black square tile looks nice?
Never hear me, bitch, nah, I don't complain. Just gotta flip the switch and you can go and obtain anything you want, anything you need. Your mind's got the key ingredient, it's belief. They'll deceive with the negativity, but I just slide right by that energy. Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, 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 go. You got a mind, but even that could change. You could flip the gray matter like some batter in your brain. That's why I say, fake it till you make it A. And if you play that game, then you just might make a change. Rearrange all the bad to okay. Take the worst thoughts saying, turn them to a game. Take the best thoughts saying, put them on display. On repeat in your brain till you're feeling no more pain. Never slow yourself down.
Right guys, as you can probably tell, this is the first time doing roofing. The principle's easy, but the actual sort of practical side of it gets a bit hard. As we're going along, forgot there's a Velux window I need to sort out in there. And then as I'm coming over here, obviously you're laying the tiles on top of your tongues there. And then I realise as I'm doing my cuts over here now, as I work my way up, I've got to then tuck the tile under, and then every row tack them in like so. But yeah, it's all fun and games. You learn. This side should be easier because we can start right to left, get most of our full tiles up there, and then do all the cuts across there. Yeah, that's the plan. We're going to get this little roof sorted as much as we can.
Before we were going to put new tiles on the pitch roof, Rhys wanted to sort out the lead, and he wanted to make sure that that was okay before he started finishing off the tiles. This is what he's doing now. Filming.
Okay. Right guys, so I'm just going to start this roof tiling, but I want to set out my tiles so I get full tiles and half tiles on the end. So all I've done is taken a level up through, marked where my block work is, 10 mil for render, and I've allowed a 60 mil overhang here, so that should be to the edge of my tile. I can work back from there for my first tile on this side, and then work the rest of the roof, and then eventually obviously when I build up here and I get a ladder through here for strength, I can then fix all these battens into the ladder, cut them all off, finish the tiles. We've got plenty of membrane here to overhang, and get it all wrapped up, and then I can put my drive verge on the ends.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it.
Right guys, so I'm just doing the cuts here. First one wasn't the best, but it's good enough because it's up on here. But all I'm doing is scribing it to the valley. I'm just measuring across the back edge there, and I've got a 170 gap. So all I've done is measure back over 170, place it onto the battens like so, put my tape on the edge of that mark there, held it there to run a scribe, and just pencil marked all the way down, and that is my cut. And that should, fingers crossed, just sit in there like so.
Nice.
So with these I gotta buy some clips.
Living life, every day, late at night, not okay. All I want, and I pray, all I need are some better days. Fuck me, I'm looking in the mirror, so foggy, but I've never seen clearer. I don't really think anyone can save me, and honestly I'm not really sure I want saving. I like to be my own worst enemy. There's no risk if you don't try at anything, so I'ma just keep buying everything. See you in the next life, have to be a better me. I don't think that
Right guys, so to cut this I'm just using a standard masonry cutting blade on an angle grinder. It would be better with a little hand grinder, but I got a big one anyway, so just leave it as that. So hopefully that cut fits snug. Lovely. So every so often you will get lugs sitting up, but I think that's sitting all right on there, so you might have to just knock the lugs on the back off on the one side just so it don't rock. But yeah, that's sitting quite tidy. I like that. And the next one.
Nice. You'll notice guys that we're not nailing these ones in yet because you need to buy...
I need to get some clips to stick underneath to hold them in the right position so they don't wobble about, but that's quite sturdy there and there, so it might be okay to nail them in.
Oh, cool.
So, yeah, working out all right. Okay, so just check now guys, so these cuts are perfectly sturdy, they're not rocking, they're not sliding, they're hooked over the battens, so we decided to nail these in. You only really need clips where the tile doesn't hook on a batten and is rocking and it's not gripping on anything. It just holds it in place, stops it sliding out or falling out eventually or snapping. So yeah, that's what we're doing at the moment, just working our way through and try and get this elevation finished. Right guys, excuse the mask and goggles, but this is what I was on about where we'll need a clip. It looks like it's okay, but the second I press any pressure on it, it rocks. Technically, if you put a tile over that, it'll support there and it shouldn't rock, but I think realistically that would need a clip.
Sometimes I just wanna be a hater. Gotta wash down the top 40s with a chaser. Your voice starts feeling like a waiter, scraping my mind against a cheese grater. Before you go, sir, you have to sign a waiver. That's alright, I'm aware of the danger. You wanna get away, you better get in line. Won't go another day of wasting any time. I've got a lot to say, can't hold it in this time. Got no filter, I got no filter. 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 No filter, I got no filter.
Right guys, so it's starting to drizzle now. We got to the point where I've done all the cuts on this side. I'm glad I done this one first, because then when we do the valleys around the front, I got a bit of practice in to get the cuts neat. You can see my first ones weren't that great. Because it's not going to be seen, I don't mind too much. I got one more cut to do. We're going to chuck a few temporary ridge tiles across there, stop the felt blowing over as usual. But for today, this is all we did. Got all the tiles on. Nice chilled out Sunday. But we're going to start bumping some tiles around, ready for the rest of the week. Quick video.
Videoing.
Alright guys, so as you can see, perfect time, just started raining. I've chucked the last tile over the neighbours, all the ridges covered, all the dry bonding gutters sorted, chucked me a couple of ridge tiles over the top. But yeah, as you can see, it's working alright, water's dripping down, and that's all we need. So we're just going to get down now and have a tidy up.
If you guys have made it this far in the video, thank you very much. Make sure you like, subscribe, and give us a comment. See you in the next video.